Morning everyone. So I'm out here again, just me. I got in last night, just got up, going to work on some exterior stuff again today because the rain will be sticking around, I'm sure. We're gonna be doing second coat on some paint outside. I'm gonna be cleaning up, getting some windows cleaned up, and I might mess in the crawl space a little bit to get ready for my electrician to start on the septic wiring. That's pretty much it. We're just gonna kind of plug away today on that kind of stuff, and then I'll head home. Besides the streaking from cleaning it, all the paint is scraped off the window frame and glass, all the overspray. This one I have not done yet, so you can't really tell, but I did do some new caulking on this one, black caulk that I'll have to repaint, so some of that doesn't look even, but these are taking forever. All this overspray. This is what I'm cleaning off. I gotta touch up caulk and stuff. That's pretty much what I'm doing. Okay, so I got this hole, I got this door. I think it's about time we get this door in the hole because we've been having this open for way too long. So let's see, I think it might be too big. I might have to like rip this frame down a tiny bit. pretty good. Now I'm just gonna clean the walls off, finish my window cleanup and my painting touch-ups. So I'm gonna get this hole kind of prepped for my electricians coming. We're gonna take care of all this conduit here. Today I'm out here with Hank and he's in the camper watching a movie, and we just kind of woke up and we've just been burning and waiting for things to dry up because it's pretty dewy. I'm gonna finish up some of my painting. I worked on that last weekend, just cleaning up the outside of the windows, overspray and recalking and nailing in bats and painting corners and stuff. And I didn't really film all that much. But that's what I was doing last weekend, and I'm just going to continue on doing that today. And we're just going to be working all day and just kind of see how much we get done. This is probably the last weekend that I'm going to be working on the outside of the home, because I need to get on the inside for the following couple weekends to finish up the trim install. And then Joe, our neighbor, he's going to be able to spray it all. So I'm going to switch gears, I think, next weekend. Today I'm going to be doing painting, probably some pressure washing, maybe some weed burning and cleanup, but mostly working on the caulking and painting so that the exterior of the home is like dialed in, because it wasn't totally dialed after we painted last year. So it feels good to finally get it like looking really good. So yeah, we'll get to work. Clean all this up. I've never cleaned this roof before, so got the pressure washer fired up. I'm going to mop it and then spray it off. I'm gonna do kind of a soft wash on it, but yeah, it'll look good. I'm excited to finally see this thing cleaned up. Okay, so I just pressure washed and then mopped and then kind of soft washed all the soap off just to that lower roof. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be pretty clean. I think it'll make a difference as far as how it looks. You can see it from here pretty easy, so it's important for it to be clean. because then it just looks pleasing to the eye, because otherwise, I mean, shoot, dirty roof, that's all you see. It's pretty, takes away from the look of the home. So I just got that done. Hank and my dad are at the beach, and I think I'm gonna start a fire because my fire went out, and then I'm going to just kind of warm up my shoes. My boots got pretty wet, so I'm just gonna dry off. I gotta find some sticks and some other stuff to burn.